The pandemic is adding another level of stress for the deaf community. Face masks have made it nearly impossible to communicate.
KIRO 7's Tracy Leong explains how they need support while they navigate this difficult obstacle.
Wearing face masks is recommended to slow the spread of the coronavirus, but it's a huge communication barrier for those who are deaf or hard of hearing.
People who are wearing masks, if I have a question, I can't answer, I can't understand the answer.
Using an interpreter, Laura Gramer explained how this can further alienate the deaf community during an already challenging time.
We, as people who are deaf and hard of hearing, we hone different skills and strategies to make communication more smooth and clear. When one of our strategies is taken away, such as being able to see language on the mouth, then we're kind of off balance and have to regroup.
Gramer's on the board of the Hearing, Speech and Deaf Center for the Puget Sound region. She understands the need for face masks and appreciates how people are now starting to make clear ones, especially for those in the healthcare industry, which is exactly what one Pacific Northwest teen is doing.
What was most meaningful so far was like a married couple who were close to giving birth. They wanted to use these to communicate with their doctor more effectively.
However, clear masks are not easy to find. They're hoping people can donate their time and resources like Eric Kim to help out their neighbors in need.
1 in 3 people has some sort of connection to hearing loss. They're either deaf or hard of hearing themselves, or they have a family member. We are all in this together, but my experience may be different than yours. And so how can we bridge that gap to come together?
HSDC Executive Director Lindsay Klarman commends King County, Seattle, and Governor Inslee for prioritizing access to communication by having an interpreter at their press briefings. A reminder that inclusion is crucial now more than ever.
We do feel more detached. So I would ask that people try to remember to be patient, to be compassionate.
The Hearing, Speech and Deaf Center has information on how you can donate or make those clear masks. For those details, just go to our website, KIRO7.com, and click on this story. Reporting in Seattle, Tracy Leong for KIRO 7 News.